Okay, so we just checked into the DoubleTree in Chico, and they upgraded us to their fitness suite. I have never been in a hotel room that has all of this workout equipment. He even has TRX bands. How badass is this? It is so cool. So you have that, plus a desk out here, and then a nice little kitchenette. And then you have a nice sleeping area in its own separate room with another TV. And then you come over. And you have a nice closet area, another sitting area, and a second bathroom. So it's really nice. This suite has 2 bathrooms and then a really nice modern shower.